It is one of the greatest hadiths of the Prophet ﷺ, and it was reported by both Bukhari and Muslim, which grades it as one of the most authentic hadiths ever. And this hadith was narrated by Abu Hurairah. May Allah be pleased with him. In this hadith, the Prophet ﷺ tells us that there are 7 whom Allah Azza wa Jal would shade in His shade on the Day of Judgment, where there is no shade other than His. 1. The just ruler. 2. A young man who grows up worshipping his Lord. 3. A man whose heart is attached to the masajid, to the mosques. 4. 2 men who love one another for the sake of Allah and meet and part on that basis. A man who's called by a woman of rank and beauty and says, I fear Allah. A man who gives in charity and conceals it so as such that to the extent that his left hand does not know what his right hand gives. And finally, a man who remembers Allah when he's alone and he or his eyes fill up with tears. So these are the 7 that the Prophet ﷺ told us that they will be in Allah's shade.